I'm Amelia, standing with my brothers and sisters. No more silence, our voices rise tonight. Shadows creep on British streets, silent screams tear through the night. Little girls broken, stolen, hidden from the light. Grooming gangs walked free in plain sight. Labor turned their heads away, scared of racist whispers while our daughters paid the price. We whisper we were kind, apologize for breathing English air. Now the flag is burning and they scream, don't you dare. I stay quiet while they take it all. Our home, our kids, our future on the wall. Enough of being polite. We're waking up, we're standing side by side. No more sorry, no more bending the knee. This is our country, set our people free. Enough of being polite. Hearts on fire in the dead of night. Call us racist, call us what you like. We're fighting for Britain, we will never die. I marched with my fellow patriots, flags high in London streets. Unite the kingdom, unite the West. Thousands of us finding our feet. Stormer in his tower spits fire, labels us convicted thugs and racists. Painting every loving British monsters just for wanting safety for our kids. While free Palestine marches rage with Antifa fists held high. Karen's lefties hate-filled chants, he gives them all the sky. No crackdown on their fury when it's aimed the other way. Two-tier Britain, two-tier justice, watching our nation bleed and fray. Enough of being polite. We're waking up, we're standing side by side. No more sorry, no more bending the knee. This is our country, set our people free. Enough of being polite. Hearts on fire in the dead of night. Call us racist, call us what you like. We're fighting for Britain, we will never die. You sold our girls for votes, you coward in a suit. Turn blind eyes to evil, now you call us the brutes. I stand with every patriot, shoulder to shoulder, heart to heart. We're not your servants, not your shame. We're tearing your lies apart. We are the lions waking up, hear us roar. Every night I fight beside them, brothers, sisters, young and old. Voices shaking, spirits breaking, but our fire will not go cold. They smear us, fear us, try to silence what we see, but I feel the heartbeat of our people calling out to me. No more turning cheeks while our culture slips away. We've apologized for centuries, now we rise and we stand. Enough of being polite. We're waking up, we're standing side by side. No more sorry, no more bending the knee. This is our country, set never being